Together we will build a district where education inspires excellence and public service. And public service works for the people. As I go towards the end of my speech, honorable members, the district roads. This is the artery of development. Agago has road network of more than 1,300 kilometers, including the national roads we know, like the one that comes from Banyankole, this one that crosses goes to Kalong, another one that comes from Pitu. Those roads are around 1,300 kilometers. About 300 kilometers are district roads, the ones that connect our sub-counties. And over 800 kilometers of community access roads that connect our villages, markets, schools, and health centers. Yet the painful reality is that many of these roads are in very poor condition. Most of them are maram and earth roads that become muddy and impassable during the rainy season, and dusty and broken during the dry season. Farmers struggle to transport their produce to the market. Mothers face difficult journeys to health facilities. Children walk long distance on roads just to reach schools. A journey of only a few kilometers can take hours because of potholes, broken culverts, poor drainage, and lack of maintenance. This is not because our people are lazy. Our people work very hard, but their efforts are slowed down by roads that fail them. So if we are to take this regime serious, we must focus our eyes on the roads that support our development. The challenges are clear: limited funding, corruption, damaged drainage systems, heavy rains, we know them. But as your leader, I am committed to changing this. Please support me. Please support me, because it's a collective responsibility. In the medium term, we will prioritize maintaining our district roads, repairing culverts and drainage systems, and rehabilitating the most critical roads that connect markets, schools, and health facilities. In the long term, our vision is to upgrade key roads like the one we know, the Moroto Road, to a weather gravel standard, strengthening road management in the district, and work with government and all partners to eventually tarmac major economic routes that connect Agago to the rest of the region, like Moroto and Wipolo Road there in Banyoro. Better roads will mean better markets, better healthcare, better access, better education, and more opportunities for our people. Members, you reach number 7, but allow me to address the second last, the District Service Commission.